If you want to share profile card on Instagram, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. Confirm via facial recognition. Make sure that you click your profile picture at the bottom right. Click share profile, right here. And basically, if you want to share your profile, just go ahead and basically copy the link, right? Or click share to, right? And you're gonna be able to share it to WhatsApp. If you want to share it to other platforms like AirDrop messages, Twitter, WhatsApp, Google, any other social media app, you can click more right here to see or share it to other social media like Telegram. And basically, let's say for example, I want to share it to Telegram, and now I'm gonna be able to share with my contacts, and basically I'm gonna be able to share my own link to other people so they can see my profile card. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.